Hi, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've put anything out there. I had an illness a couple of years ago here that really put me down. I've sold my sailboat, my Pearson 24. Basically I sold it for scrap, for salvage. I took all the electronics off of it and the complete suit of sails. There's like I apologize, 6 sails. And so if you know anybody with a Pearson 24 that needs sails, I have some. Anyway, moving on. What I'm going to do in the first couple of videos, basically, since I'm on the hunt for a trailer sailor, I want to get back sailing. And since I'm landlocked here, I want something that I can take with me. The nearest water to me is about 2.5 hours away, and that's not going to give me a lot of options to sail if I put another keelboat in the water. So I'm going to look for a trailerable sailboat, and so in that I'm going to do all my own surveys. I just purchased a new Electrophysics CT33 moisture meter. It's a pinless moisture meter. I'll show you that here in just a second. But so I'm going to use that, and I've used that. Well, I used it for about 5 years when I was in the marine business on the west side of Michigan, and I used it on wooden boats, and I've used it on fiberglass boats, and with very good success. I trust the meter, so that's why I purchased it. When I did it for my boat, I borrowed one of these from a friend of mine. So I always wanted one, and so I'm going to use that. I'll try and take you guys along with me while I'm doing the search for a boat when I get to places. But in the meantime, I'll let you know or show you what I'm going to work on first to get something out there for you guys. Hang on just a minute. I'm going to grab the camera. Okay, well, if you can see it, this piece of balsa, I'm going to coat the center of it with resin so that it can't pass through, because what I want to do is I want to make this end wet and this end dry. So I'm going to laminate it up with some chopped strand mat and some fiberglass cloth. I think this is 1.5 ounces. I'm also I'm going to try and find some woven roving. But anyway, there's the meter. It's not fancy. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it does detect moisture, and that's what I need. So, but no, I'm going to put those together with this, and I'm just going to use some cheap polyester resin that I normally work with epoxies, but for this, in this case, I would just soon put it up with something that's not so costly. So anyway, but hang on just a second. Let me put the camera back. My apologies. But anyway, yeah, please stay with me. I hope my videos that I put out there will keep you interested. I know this one's a little dry. Unfortunately, I did want to explain what was going on. But anyway, if you would please subscribe, put a comment down below, hit the bell to get updates when I put new videos out. I appreciate your time, and hopefully we'll be talking with you soon. Take care.